this video, we will learn how to create files and directories. I type pwd. You know that pwd will tell me my current working directory. This is also where the terminal opens by default /home/John. So it is also known as the home folder or home folder of John. Now within this directory or folder, we can create more files and directories. So let us create a directory here by typing mkdir followed by the name of the directory. Mkdir over here means make directory, and wizard is the name of the directory that I create. We type ls and we see that the directory has been created. We can check this from a graphical perspective as well. There you are. That is the wizard folder. Now from the terminal, to go into the directory, I can use the command cd. It stands for change directory. So cd wizard will take me within the wizard directory. Let us check this by typing pwd. It shows me /home/john/wizard. If we run the command ls, it shows no output as this is a freshly created directory and is completely empty. Now if you want to go back to the parent directory, we can type cd ... Let us now create a file. Most Linux distributions will have a graphical editor named gedit. It can also be installed separately. This is not the default choice of editor for most Linux users because the community generally prefers working from a command line without launching any graphical editor. So VI or Vim editor becomes a popular choice. Narrow editor is the other. We will dedicate a separate module for learning both these command-based editors. For now, let us proceed with a simple file creation using the graphical gedit. So here we type gedit followed by the name of the file that we want to create, say hogwarts.txt. Pardon my pronunciation. Now this will launch the gedit editor in a separate graphical window. We can click on this icon on top right here and then we can go to preferences. Here we can configure it as per our comfort. I am just interested in the font size, so I will click on the tab fonts and colors. Let me uncheck the defaults and increase the font size to probably 20. So let us store some Hogwarts characters in this text file. I hope I am getting the spellings correct. I save this file and then close it. Let us type ls from command line to verify if the file has been created. Yes, I can find this file here. And I will also reconfirm this from the graphical folder. There you are. So in this video, we first understood how to create a directory using mkdir, followed by the name of the directory or folder. Then we went inside the directory using command cd. Then we returned to the parent directory by typing cd ... And finally, we saw how to use gedit. Though we had already used the cd command in the previous video, I thought revisiting it again is no harm. But can we view these files on the terminal without using gedit? We certainly can. In the next video, we will learn about how to display files on the terminal.